Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching us from, this is Odum Maths. Today I want us to look at number bases, but this time we are going to add and subtract number bases. Excuse me. Before we add and subtract, let's look at the numerals and the number bases. For example, numerals, my handwriting, numerals in base 2. So base 2 numerals. Base 2 numerals, we have 0, 1, then 1, 0, 1, 1. Then it can be 1, 0, 1, 1, and the rest. So it means we don't need to see 2 because we are dealing in base 2. So 0, 1, this is supposed to be 2, but it is 1, 0, 1, 1 after 2, and so on. Let's look at that of numerals, that of base 3. So 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so you can even go more than that, but there shouldn't be 3 in the numerals of base 3. Let's look at that of base. Okay, let's go to that of base 5. That one is a little bit longer. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0. That is, we are on base 5. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then we don't need to see 5 again. So that's going to be 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Then 3, 0, 3, 1, and so on, and so on. So let's again also look at that of base 4, numerals for base 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, and the rest, but we shouldn't see 4 in. The same thing applies to base 7, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 0, 2, 1, and the rest, and the rest, and the rest. Now let's look at this simple example. We have to add 3, 1, 1 base 4 plus 2, 1, 3 base 4. Okay, now we add. So 1 plus 3 naturally is 4. But since we are dealing in base 4, we need to look at the numerals in base 4, which when you get to 4, it is 1, 0. So this is 1, 0. But we don't write 1, 0 here. We write 0 carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Okay, then 3 plus 2 naturally is 5. But since we are working in base 4, it is no more 5, but rather 1, 1. So the answer is 1, 1, 3, 0 base 4. So let's look at this second example. That is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2 to be added to 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Okay, so let's add. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1. We are working in base 2, so that is going to be 1, 0. But we don't need to write 1, 0. We need to write 0 carry 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is still 2, but we are working in base 2, so that is also 0 carry 1. And this is 0 carry 1 again. So this is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 is 2. Okay, let's look at this third example. This time we are subtracting. So let's subtract. 1 minus 1 is gone, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now 0 minus 1 will not work. So we need to borrow this 1. But since we are working in base 2, the moment we borrow, it's no more 1, but rather the base 2. So this place becomes 0. So now this is going to give me, I am borrowing this 1, but it's no more 1, but rather 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, there is no number here and no number here, so you can decide to put this is 0 and this is 1 here, and the answer is 2. So to our fourth example, this time 5, 2, 3 base 7 to be, and then we are taking 6, 5 from this number, also in base 7. Okay, so 3 minus 5 will not work. As usual, we borrow 1 from this immediate number on the left. So now we've taken 1, so this place is now 1. So that 1 is going to the side, but it is not going to be 1, but rather going to be 7. So 7 plus the 3 here, which is 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now we are done with this side. So we have 1 here. 1 minus 6 will also not work. So we take 1 from here. So this place is now 4. This 1 coming here becomes 7 plus 1. Because I said the moment you borrow, the number crossing or going to the other side will not be the same number, but rather the 7 or the base you are working with. So 7, this is going to be 8 minus 6, and that is 2. So here, since we don't have a number here, we can put the 4 here. So the answer is 425 base 7. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's look at our last example under addition and subtraction. So this time we are going to add and subtract. So 141 plus 233 minus 145, all in base 6. So first, let's add before we do the subtraction. So 141 is 6 plus 233 is 6. Okay, so this is going to give me 4. This is 7. So in base 6, 7 is 1 carry 1. So this is going to give me 4. So it is 414 base 6. 41. Okay, since we are done adding this first two numbers, we need to subtract 145 from the results we had here. So from this, we added and had 414 base 6. So we need to take 145 from 414 base 6. So that is what I have here. So we are going to subtract. 4 minus 5 will still not work. So we need to borrow 1 from here. But as I told you earlier, we borrow and then that number becomes 6 because we are working in base 6. So this place is now 0 because I've taken this one. So that is going to be 6 plus the 4 here. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So we don't have any number here, but we have 0. So 0 minus 4 will also not work. So let me take 1 from here. So this place is now 3. Now this place is 6 because if I take 1, the moment you cross it becomes 6. And 6 plus 0 is 6. So 6 minus 4 becomes 2. Then 3 minus 1 is also 2. So the answer is 225 base 6. 225 base 6. Thanks for watching. Good evening.